If you have a longer video that you want to break down into smaller pieces using Camtasia for your Windows PC, then stick around. Hello friend, my name is Ron from CamMastery.com, where you can go to learn how to make great videos with Camtasia. You know that people prefer to consume shorter videos. You know that it's easier to learn information when it's broken down into smaller pieces. Maybe you have a 60-minute meeting or a Zoom call that you want to share, but you know very few people will sit through the entire video. With Camtasia, you can create separate, smaller videos from a single video using markers. In Camtasia, move the playhead to the first logical break in the information. In other words, place your playhead where you want the second video to begin. Press Shift-M to create a marker. Repeat this process for the rest of the video, putting markers everywhere you want to have a break. When you're done placing markers, it's time to produce your video. Press Ctrl-P to open the production wizard. Custom production settings, MP4, go to the Video Settings tab, and check the box in the lower left which says Multiple Files Based on Markers. Navigate to the end of the wizard and choose a file name and folder. I recommend checking the box to put all the video files in a subfolder and press Finish. Camtasia creates separate video files based on the markers.